Yeah, because I'm trying to do something with my thing. It's not working.
Just go back to doing what you were doing. Yeah. Yeah. I'm recording right now.